TSG manufacturing is essentially a team sport. It requires cross-functional collaboration and horizontal integration of efforts. Everything should be valued in terms of what it does for the customer or what it detracts from the customer. TerraSource's manufacturing process employs a tool called Managing Daily Improvement. Managing Daily Improvement looks at basically safety, quality, cost, and delivery metrics across every facet of our operation. So a fact-based, data-driven environment gives us the best opportunity to make real change to the factory that provides greater value to our customers. That brings a great deal of energy to the most critical problems. It helps us focus the entire organization on our greatest opportunities and helps us work as a collective team. When you see a shop operator collaborating with an engineer or a supervisor and they come up with a really great solution, not only does it benefit the customer right then and there with solving their particular problems, but it's learning that we can share across the manufacturing team and we all grow together.